I believe no one will refuse the joy of being a fan. Egg whites are seasoned with sticky black pepper cooking wine to remove the fishy smell. Make a circle where the tiger's mouth is. Squeeze out shrimp balls. Boil in water. Boil the wide noodles in hot water until soft. Then drain into cold water. Let's make some sauce. The detailed recipe is on the screen. The key is this spoonful of Korean spicy sauce. Sauté minced garlic until fragrant. Pour in the shrimp paste and wide noodles. Simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. Add whipping cream or milk. Sprinkle with chopped parsley. The fire collects the juice. Today's pairing is Oriental leaf jasmine tea. The new version of 900 milliliters has just the right capacity. Completely achieved. 0 sugar, 0 fat, 0 calories, 0 flavors and 0 preservatives. Ingredients list is clean. As soon as you pour it into the cup, the aroma overflows. The aroma of jasmine and the taste of tea are perfectly balanced. After drinking, your lips and teeth will be fragrant. The noodles are almost cooked. Because of the added cream, the spiciness becomes very mild. The rich sauce hangs on the springy wide noodles. There are also shrimp sliders. It tastes so satisfying. Let's take another sip of fresh Oriental leaf jasmine. Come and make it for the one you love.